Ceceni ni ya borithi ya Ngaaie mwena wa Mwingi amwe aria maikaraga hakuhi mekinyitie gwikira wira kuhingurwo kwa afici njeru cia maabitha a borithi aria makoretwo magitungata kuo. Regina Mathuva niwe wakite mwaka uyu na kiria giatumire atacukie ikinya riri ari thutha wa kuona thina uria maabitha aria mahetwo maragerera gutigirira ni matungatira muingi na njira iria yagireire motungata maria maraheanagira rungu rwa muti.
I wanted to sit with him so that I can explain my case to him, but he told me there was nowhere we can sit, so he directed me to sit under a tree, but it started raining. So we walked out to a nearby shop to hide ourselves from the rain.
Na ikiwa sio usaidizi wa polisi hapa Ngaaie kungekuwa na mambo mabaya sana, lakini ofisi wa DC na wa DCIO na OSBD waliamua kutuletea post na tukashukuru sana.
Mathuva aroiga ni undu urari na unyitiriri munene kuma kuri aikari ona aria marugamireire maabitha borithi tauni-ini ya Mwingi undu uria uratumire mubango uyu kinyanire hatari na mihinga.
Then I wrote the letter requesting to be granted a permission to build at least a shed so that people who will be coming here can have somewhere to sit and wait to be served. So when the permission was granted, I started building.
Yangu ni kushukuru Neema Nursing Home kwa waso mzuri ambao wamefanya kutuchengea police post. Tunajua ya kwamba when the services are closer to the public, wananchi wanahudumiwa vizuri. OCPD wa gicigo giki ni agathiririo tugi wa Mathuva akiuga riu aikari a Ngaaie ni magutungatirwo na njira iria yagireire riri metereire wa afici ciikirwo thitima. Sasa kuwaomba wananchi ni watumie hii post vizuri, waweze kuwasiliana na askari ambao tumeweka mahali hapo, wachukue namba zao, waweze kusaidika, wako hapa juu yao. Girifo tera Inoro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Masheria.